Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to begin zone cleaning on your Xiaomi robot vacuum X20 Max. To do it, simply click on Area right here in the app, then select Custom Area. Now you can create a zone which will be cleaned. So let's say I'll make this zone right here. So I'm not cleaning the whole room or the whole house, just one zone, and I can add another zone if I'd like to have more of the zones, and then click on Done, and it'll clean only there. So let's do that. Then you can also change the mode to vacuuming and mopping, vacuuming before mopping or mopping. Then suction settings, water output for mopping, the path and repetition times, then start cleanup with the start cleanup button. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.